If you own a 2016 to 2019 Cadillac CTS, you know that sometimes the smallest interior details make the biggest difference. We're looking at a replacement shift knob and boot combo that promises to restore that factory luxury feel without the dealership price tag. Let's talk specifics. This is the black shift knob and automatic boot replacement, specifically designed for the CTS models from 2016 through 2019. It's designed to replace those OEM parts, 23,107,739 and 23,460,364, so fitment should be spot on, sitting right there on your center floor. The material here is absolutely key. We're dealing with leather, which is exactly what you want for that premium touch point. The manufacturer emphasizes that this is built to meet industry standards for quality control. That's crucial because a shift knob isn't just aesthetic, it's a primary functional component. The design is specifically crafted for a comfortable and secure grip during gear amendments. And even though the CTS is an automatic, that tactile feel matters when you're using manual mode or just shifting into park. They claim the materials are strong and withstand wear and tear, which is a huge relief since the shift knob is one of the most frequently touched parts of the interior. Installation is always the big question, and thankfully, they promise easy installation, suggesting straightforward attachment with basic tools. The process involves removing the old knob, usually unscrewing it or releasing a securing clip, and securing the new one firmly. It's a simple swap, but it completely refreshes the look of your center console. This isn't just about replacing a broken part, it's about bringing back that sharp, new car feel that often fades after a few years of use. Overall, if your CTS shift knob is looking tired, sticky, or just worn out, this replacement package, knob and boot included, seems like a fantastic, high-quality solution. It hits all the marks: correct fitment, preferable leather materials, and a design focused on comfort and durability. It's a small investment for a major interior refresh.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.